FIO Wallet Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the FIO Wallet. Links to the wallet and its features are in the description below. Let's get straight to the point. FIO Wallet is a unique cryptocurrency wallet designed to simplify the user experience for managing and transacting digital assets. Built around the FIO protocol, it focuses on providing a human-readable address system to eliminate the complexity of long wallet addresses. This makes it an excellent choice for both newcomers and seasoned crypto users who prioritize convenience and security. Features of FIO Wallet include support for FIO addresses, custom, easy-to-read wallet names like Your Name at FIO, which replace traditional public keys for sending and receiving crypto. The wallet also integrates seamlessly with other FIO-enabled wallets and platforms, making transactions across the ecosystem smoother. FIO Wallet supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a range of altcoins. Additionally, users can register FIO domains, creating a personalized namespace for all their FIO addresses, which is ideal for businesses or professional branding in crypto. On the strength side, FIO Wallet stands out for its user-friendly approach to crypto management. The ability to send and receive funds without worrying about copy-pasting long wallet addresses significantly reduces errors and increases confidence in transactions. The wallet's multi-crypto support and compatibility with the growing FIO ecosystem ensure broad usability. Furthermore, the focus on decentralized ownership of FIO addresses and domains aligns with blockchain's core principle of user control. However, there are weaknesses to consider. FIO Wallet is best utilized within the FIO ecosystem, so users reliant on non-FIO-enabled platforms may find its benefits limited. While it supports multiple cryptocurrencies, the range may not be as extensive as some competitors. Finally, the cost of registering FIO addresses and domains, though reasonable, could be a downside for users looking for free solutions. In summary, FIO Wallet is a fantastic option for users seeking a simpler, more intuitive way to manage their crypto transactions. Its focus on human-readable addresses and secure, decentralized features makes it a standout choice in the crypto wallet space. Check out the links in the description to explore FIO Wallet and see if it's right for you.